In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store using ChatGPT. We're going to go from a simple store idea all the way to a polished shop that's ready to test before launch. This process is beginner friendly, and the goal is to save time by using ChatGPT to help with planning and writing, while Shopify handles the store setup itself. Start by opening ChatGPT and describing the kind of Shopify store you want to build. Be as clear as possible about your goals, your target customer, and the type of products you're interested in selling. If you already have a rough concept, explain it in plain language. The more context you give, the better the suggestions will be. Next, ask ChatGPT to suggest a niche and product ideas. This is especially helpful if your concept is still broad or you're not sure what to focus on. You can use the ideas as inspiration and narrow them down to products that feel practical, appealing, and easy to organize into a store. At this stage, think about whether the niche feels clear enough for a customer to understand right away. Once you have your direction, create your Shopify account. This gives you access to your store dashboard where you'll build everything out. Take your time during setup and make sure your basic store details are entered correctly so you have a solid foundation to work from. After that, use ChatGPT to write product titles and descriptions. This can speed things up a lot and help you create copy that sounds more polished and consistent. When generating these, aim for titles that are straightforward and easy to scan, and descriptions that explain benefits clearly without sounding too complicated. You can always refine the wording so it matches your brand voice. Now begin adding products inside Shopify, including images, pricing, and collections. This is where your store starts to take shape visually. Make sure your images look clean and your pricing is consistent with your positioning. Collections are important because they help shoppers browse related products more easily. Then ask ChatGPT to create your homepage copy and FAQs. Your homepage should quickly communicate what your store offers and why someone should keep exploring. FAQs are useful for answering common concerns and making the store feel more complete and trustworthy. With your content ready, customize your Shopify theme. Adjust the layout, colors, sections, and overall presentation so the store feels organized and easy to navigate. Keep the design simple and user-friendly rather than overcrowded. Finally, test the store before publishing. Click through the pages, review product listings, check the wording, and make sure everything looks right on the storefront. A careful final review helps you catch small issues before customers ever see them. Once everything feels smooth, you're much closer to launching with confidence.